Alright, so this is a little update before the video starts. The clip that's going to roll was filmed a couple days ago, and I didn't get a chance to put it up because I got a warning that there's a chance my neighborhood is going to go into water. So basically I had to prep. I know my dad came all the way from Illinois to pick up, because I have 3 dogs, picked up my German Shepherd. My German Shepherd went back to Illinois because he's like 120 pounds, and it's hard to be on the road. Like right now, I got everything loaded up, and my back seat full. You know, I got my 2 other dogs. Watch where they pop out. But I mean, I got everything I need, and got as quick as I could. So that's why I didn't have a chance to post any video. But from where I lived, it looks like a chance that my house wouldn't be underwater, but the neighborhood could be. And then if you didn't get out in time, there's a chance you couldn't get out. So like I said in the clip, where I thought, you know, plan accordingly and get out, because I've heard like certain parts of like Myrtle Beach, Conway, whatnot, if you don't get out by Monday or Tuesday, you might be stuck where you're at. And I'm just hearing how the water is rising. So I just want to give a heads up. Sorry I didn't post it. I had to take care of myself, get myself all ready before I could post a video. And on my way right now to Florida. So roll the clip. going on, guys? It's Beowulf back at it with another video. If you saw the clip while I was flying right over Pitch Landing, you could tell from yesterday then today that the water has rised there. So I don't know, I've seen a couple maps. It was sent to me, one by an email today, and like showing the worst case scenario of what's going on with, you know, Myrtle Beach, Conway area. And it could even be worse than that now. I know I heard today in North Carolina some dam broke, bringing more water down this way, and the 501 that you've seen past videos where the military's worked on, the Army National Guard, well, that's all flooded over now. Or I don't know if it's, well, take it back, I don't know if it's all flooded over. That's what I'm going to go see right now. I'm guessing something happened because it's been closed. Just the traffic is really crazy, so I'm trying my best to get around areas where I don't get stuck in a traffic jam, because it's not what my goal is. But people thinking about leaving, I would check and research into it. I feel right now there's a lot of news not covering of what could potentially happen. And when the hurricane was coming, Florence, they tried getting everybody out of here like 5 days or 4 or 5 days before the hurricane even hit. So what I'm kind of wondering is why they're keeping it hush hush. And I feel right now is because the routes of getting out of Conway and Myrtle Beach, it's all down to the 501 Business Highway, and it's just intense. Last night when I drove through it to ship out some online orders, man, it was just like 10:30 at night, and the traffic was already crazy. You can already see the brake lights hitting. So don't want to get stuck in that. But I could try to get as close as I can, because I really want to see what the 501 looks like. And see what's going on there. But I'm telling people right now, if you're debating about leaving, you probably should do it. You should research into it, find out what flood zones, because right now areas they're projecting to flood have never flooded before, and that's what makes me really concerned about what's going on. Also too, like I know in Conway, you know, if you have pets and you get rescued, you're not going to stay with your pets. They have it assigned where the pets are kept, you know, like your dog, cat, whatnot. He's not going to be with you. It's in a whole area that you cannot see. And that's concerning, because, you know, myself, my pets are my family. And yeah, I know right now my dad's driving down from Chicago, Illinois, left at 6 in the morning. He didn't even tell me he's doing this. He's coming and coming down, and I have a 120-pound German Shepherd, and I want my dog to be out of this area. I don't want to be, you know, it's for his best interest and mine. My dog goes there to stay with my parents for a short period of time, and I'm going to take my other 2 dogs. It really upsets me I have to do it, but you know, I'm just looking out for where. It's scary what's going on. So let me cut around some of this traffic so I can see what's going on, and then get some shots. I'll try to get whatever I can get the closest, not getting stuck in traffic. So change of plans. I am going, it's just too much traffic in Conway right now to get anywhere. So I'm on my way to the Bucksport Marina in the town of Bucksport. They're supposed to get like their water was supposed to really rise today, so I want to see. I've been to this marina before to launch, so I'm just seeing how close I can get some footage, especially for people in this area, to see what's going on. You can already tell, like, people are sandbagging their houses. One thing I found with this town is they had a area set up where people could bag their own sand, and they were distributing it out. I'm just kind of shocked that Conway wasn't doing stuff like that. I'm actually really disappointed too, is, you know, the Army National Guard there, which I appreciate what they're trying to do, but they should have been with all those trucks distributing sand bags to any areas that could be potential flooding, for people have something than nothing. That's what I think really could have helped and made a difference. They look like they dumped a lot of resources into something that was flooded over, so disappointed with that. But anyways, on the brighter side, let's get over to this area and see what kind of shot we can get before it gets too dark. right, so that's the footage of Bucksport Marina. It's up pretty high, the water. Usually it's pretty low water here, so it does look a lot higher than months ago. I launched my jet ski from there. But it's scary to see what this whole flooding map is going to be. I was talking to a guy there, and he said it's never been over the boat launch, but I'm telling you, with something like this, it's going to get high. I just wish everybody would be very safe here in North Carolina and South Carolina, and figure out, you know, a game plan of what you're going to do. But like I said in the last video, be prepared. If you're in an area that's never flooded, there's a chance you might flood, and get that bag ready, get what you need to get, and don't wait to the last minute to leave, because if your vehicle's not made, even if you had a vehicle that's made to go in high water, you never know what you're getting yourself into, and you don't want to be stuck. So plan out what you're going to do, and be safe. It's the end of the video. I'll see you guys back in another one. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.